Nashville audits tonight. We're at the scene of a 3-car wreck. About to walk up on it with fatalities. One fatality. You see the blue lights through the trees. About to come around the corner, see fire trucks, blue lights, all kinds of crash vehicles. The whole road's blocked off here. Got to wait. We just left the medical examiner at the shooting, so she may not be here for a while. We're gonna come check this out. Road closed. Everybody's detouring. I'm with Now Preston, Nashville. There's 2 cars over here together.
Just a reminder, if you guys are shooting, please keep it over here. If you need to get past, keep it to the sidewalk. But I'm going to have you guys hold off because we have CSI here taking photos.
Yeah, I was going to go behind your car. That's all. I was going to go right behind your car.
Perfect. As long as you don't get in the scene while they're still doing their investigation.
Sure.
My last name, Officer Blackwelder. My employee number is 400113.
And I know so far one person was fatally, and did the other 2 get to the hospital?
If that's information that's been released to you guys, I just can't give you anything right now, okay? While they still have the investigation.
Thank you, officer. Is able to go up to the back of the car?
Yeah, up to the car, yeah. You're good, man.
Come on.
Doing their photography.
And guys, this is a fatal 3-car MVA. One person was fatally killed.
There are 2 of the cars.
The other car is
Third one.
with the hazards on.
Yeah. No, it's over here.
Oh, it's over here?
It's across the street in the ditch, all brushed, all to hell.
Who are you with?
Local media also. We just got word of it. She's already talked to us that we're going to go past here. Can I get your name and employee number, ma'am?
What?
Your name and employee number?
Grill, 887-598.
887.
598.
Thank you.
They got their investigators out here with their cameras and their survey equipment and whatever else they use, but you can barely see because of the blue lights on this car.
So you'll have to cut this guy. I think they have to cut the light to get from the video.
Yeah. Because of this, you can see the car over there that's all smashed to pieces. Looks like half a car. Somebody's still inside. They're waiting on the medical examiner. But it's really smashed up. I mean, the whole front end is gone. Windows are all covered up. Somebody's inside it. The fatality. The other 2 cars are together over here. I can block the blue lights out of that. We left the medical examiner a while ago, so it may be a while before they get out here. Stay behind these fellas. Let them do their job. Yes. See if we can get a better angle over here on this sidewalk. Alright. On the sidewalk on the other side of the street. Got blue lights in my face. But the car is like demolished. Debris everywhere.
There's all 3 of the cars. You got the red one. Red one right there.
Yeah, you can see them all now. Can't see the smashed one so good because of the blue lights, but I can't help that. They won't let us get much closer. They're doing their death investigation out here now and don't want us to get too close. but they still haven't removed the bodies. The medical examiner's not here yet. It'd probably be a while. She was investigating the shooting we just left. And there was another shooting that said was a fatality. We didn't check on that one. But here we go with the cops doing their job, the investigators.
I'm thinking that red car over there is the one that had the fatality because it looks like it's got a tarp on top of it.
Those look like you got tarps in the windows, though. That car does, see? Whited out windows.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I see that. Yeah,
That's what I think, and it's more smashed. I think that's the fatality.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking too now that you bring it out.
I mean, it's hard to tell with the blue lights in our face, but
Yeah.
you see that Karen pull up and tell him she wanted to go this way?
Uh-huh.
Road closed and cones everywhere. I mean,
Exactly. What do you expect? There's a fatal wreck here, guys.
yeah, it'll be a while they investigate.
But this is a total different metro section. This is the fatal crash point.
Oh, that's not prior restraint. That officer's 75 yards away. He's looking at the scene, not pointing at us. Looks like he's taking some pictures too. Now Preston going over for more information. He's got a press badge on. He made it himself, but he's got one on. I don't own one.
Learned a tidbit of information.
Yeah, what?
On fatalities.
Yeah.
They don't send the medical examiner out unless it looks like it was some type of shooting or a murder or a homicide or something didn't look right. She said typically on a crash scene, they transport the body immediately.
Really?
Yeah, because it was a crash.
Ah.
So I learned that. I said, thank you, officer. I did not even know that. I said, I was thinking all the medical examiners come out on all of the bodies, you know?
Yeah.
And she's like, nope, not here. I'm like, okay, thank you.
That's news to me too.
Yeah, she gave me she gave me some information that I'm glad I know now. You heard it, guys. That's from the officer, what she said. The ME will not be coming out. But the crime scene is down the street.
It's probably 50 yards ahead of us.
Yeah.
And they're still doing their This fella here's got some kind of surveying tool or something, and there's this little laser pointer thing.
It
And
measures.
they're measuring distance and crown of the road and everything else. I don't know what all it does, but they do. That's their job.
But that would be CSI right there, walk in front of the red car. You see on the back of this thing, right on, you can see, it says crash investigate. So the breaking news did say this was a 3-car NVA. One person was killed and 2 others was transported. That's per local news that went out on breaking news.
See all the debris everywhere.
Everywhere. It looks like that red car, no, this car looks like it got hit coming this way to me. Or it could have been pulling out the driveway and it got T-boned. If I can block some of that blue light out so y'all can see the vehicle. That's about the best I can do it right there, guys, on that vehicle. It is mangled. Tow truck should be coming out here any moment. Should be.
There is no front end on that vehicle.
No.
Keep trying to show it, but you can't tell with the blue lights behind it, but there is no front end on it.
None.
I mean, it had a little piece of metal sticking out the front, but like no front end. Can't see any wheel on the front, can't see the motor in it. It's all jammed up into the front, under the seat. Looks like it's just mangled all the bits. Man, we were told to stay out of their way, right?
Yeah.
They're not, we're not in the way here.
She said we can come up to the cars, but that's about as far as we can go. Which technically is going to put crime scene tape up, but
Right.
I didn't question that. They're talking to, I guess, one of the guys that was in the car down there. Hello.
If you all trying to get by, just looking. Man, that car's trashed. I mean, basically it looks like they ripped the front door off trying to get them out, or the wreck did it. I don't know, but I don't see any kind of anything from the back, from the B pillar forward. There's nothing left.
No, nothing whatsoever.
It's just gone.
There you go, guys. I can get y'all a better look at the car right now. From the side of it, anyway. I can't get to the front with the blue lights. But there you go. That's the look at the side of the car right there. That the fatality was in right there.
Not bright enough from here.
Wait, did somebody die?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's pretty much the entire scene you got there. Yeah, I'm probably 40 yards back from it. You see the first piece of debris is over by these officers over here. Right over here is the first piece of debris. And the smashed up mangled car is running out down into the drive over here.
I think the main impact is right there in the middle, though.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Look,
It's
all
like
the
they
fluids
hit
and
it
everything
square.
is, yeah.
Now CSI's on the very mangled up car right now. CSI's already looked at the other two cars over there. Now he's looking at this one right here.
Taking pictures and stuff. And he crunches stuff, he's stepping on it.
He almost slid. But I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Yeah, you can. But towards the left of my side on the camera behind the blue lights, there's a gentleman. I think he was one. Well, actually, there's two now that I zoomed in. There's two people that I think they were part of the arrest or witnesses. I am not sure.
Yeah, there's people sitting up there.
We're not on that side up there. We can't go past here right now. Once CSI gets done, we're allowed to walk over there and we can get you some pictures. So once CSI finishes with this car, it should be open. And then we might be able to walk over there and get some pictures of the mangled car guys.
Yeah, without blue lights in our face.
Yeah, without blue lights.
Maybe you can see a little better the fellow shining his flashlight at the car.
Maybe that can get a little bit better. Trying to block the blue light, but I can't do that with hands on the
Can't block the blue lights much, but I can see if his light will help to illuminate the car.
There's the front of the car right there.
Yeah, there's a chunk of the car right there, part of the front end. There's two people down the street down there. I don't know what if they're involved or looky-loos or what, but
Somebody else walking out behind us. But that's one of the public works vehicles. They have red lights.
oh, okay. Nashville DOT now.
Yep. We audited them today and they passed.
There's part of the front end you can see. That's part of the front end of the car there.
I bet those city buses are hating to detour through neighborhoods.
I bet they are.
They're paying close attention to that red car over there.
Here they are.
Putting something in a bag.
Yeah, it's like they got evidence out of some kind.
they're paying a lot of attention to that red car over there.
I don't know what they're doing over there, but they have been over there 3 times now. Now they're going through that car.
Like National Audit said, they're going through that car real good. They didn't do the other cars like that. They're pulling stuff out of that car onto the paper.
Is there anybody on scene from that's still driving? That was driving?
I think there's 2 people over there they've been talking to.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't know if they were injured and sent to the hospital or if those are the drivers or not.
Now, I said one person, she said, was sent, but also the deceased one too. So I'm not sure.
But she didn't tell you how many total
No,
people.
didn't. But the news came out, said it was 3 car MVAs with 1 fatality. Just had another officer pull up. It's a sergeant. Yeah, guys, they're paying a lot close attention to that red car for some reason. They could have found drugs, they could have found alcohol.
We don't know anything about whose fault or which car had the fatality. We're guessing this mangled one did. But they're searching that one for something. Got stuff on top. We can't see what it is.
And they've been throwing stuff on the pavement too.
Yeah, throwing stuff out. Sorry about that.
That does not look like a police uniform over there.
No, it doesn't.
That might have been a family member. I don't know. Or he could have been a driver. They escorted him through the whole scene. So I'm assuming he knows who this is or knows something about this. Now they're searching the trunk of the car.
something. It's like. Or he's got something in his hand. I don't know what it is. If he found it in the car. What?
Well, he pulled it out of the trunk. Looks like a phone or a evidence bag is going in.
Well, two of the patrolmen just pulled out. All right, we talked to the lady and I had it on pause, and she's not gonna let us get any closer. They walked two people through, two groups through to the other side up the sidewalk, but they live here. They won't let us go any closer. So we're not gonna cause no problems. But that car is just mangled to pieces.
And then that red car right there is another one that's involved. But that is the closest I can get y'all. Unblur it.
That's the front end of the car right there.
As good as I can get y'all.
And that is the car. What's left of it.
This is News Now Preston signing off.
News Now Nashville, checking out. I'm with News Now Preston. His stuff will be in the description. Peace out.